Hi friends, Miss Arwood here. Oh, I'm so glad you came today. Our learning goal for today says, I can read words with inflectional endings. Ooh, well that sounds so fancy, doesn't it? Well, inflectional endings just means that we're going to put a new ending onto a word. So we'll start with a word and we'll put a new ending on it. Like if we had the word play and we added and changed it to plays, playing, played, or player. Those are all new versions of the word play. And we add on those endings, it gives it a brand new meaning. Okay, so that's what we're going to talk about today. Now, when we have a word that we're putting a new ending on, the best way to start figuring out how to read it is to look for what we call the root word, or the word that you start with. And then once you find the word that you start with, you can then just look at the ending and blend it in as you read it. So I see play is right there, and then I see S. So when I read it, I can say plays. See, I already use what I know and then just add in the new ending. Okay, so let's talk about when we add new endings to words, how it changes their meaning. So if I were to add S or ES to a word, it means it happens. So something is happening. And it can also mean, that there is more than one of something. So let me show you some examples. In the sentence, she plays chess after school, by adding that S, I'm saying that that's happening after school. That's what she's doing. She's playing chess. But in this sentence, he bought a lot of books. He's not doing anything with books. I mean, he'll read them eventually. But this means that there's more books that he had because he bought them. Okay? So there's more than one. All right, if we add an ing to a word, that means it's happening right now. In this moment, it's happening. So it says, she is playing chess at home. That means right now in this moment, she's playing chess in this moment. And that ing helps us to know that it's happening right now. If we were to add ed to a word, that means it happened in the past. So maybe it happened yesterday or a long time ago, or maybe just a few minutes ago. This sentence says, she played chess all day long. That means the day is over and she spent her whole day playing chess. That ed means that it happened in the past. If we add er to a word, it means it changes that word into talking about a person doing that, or it is used to compare things. So for example, if I said, she is a strong chess player, now she's the person doing the playing. So that er tells me that she's the one that's a person doing the playing. But when it says he is shorter than me, I'm comparing how tall we are, how short he is compared to me. So he's shorter, he's more short than I am. So er can have different meanings when you add it to the end of the word. You just really have to use the sentence to help you out to figure out which meaning it means. Okay, when I add Y to the end of the word using inflectional endings, usually it means more of something, but Y has different kinds of sounds that it makes. So we're going to focus this time just on making when Y uses the long E sound. So this sentence says, the treat was so chewy. So it helps to describe the treat. It was chewy, so it was lots of chewing. So that's why we put that Y there. Okay. Our learning goal for today says, I can read words with inflectional endings, and that's exactly what we practiced today. Friend, I recommend looking for the root word that you already know and then blending in that last ending. Remember, as you add in the new ending, it changes the meaning of the word. So you really want to be thinking about what the author or the writer is trying to explain to you or tell you in the words that you're reading to figure out their meaning. Okay? All right, well, happy reading, friends.